Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is in English and Urdu. ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में भी है और उर्दू में भी है. काइंडली रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शंस गिवन बिलो. आपसे गुजारिश है कि डिस्क्रिप्शंस को ज़रूर पढ़िए. देखिए, फर्स्ट आई विल स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके. O Muslims, Christians and Jews, do not be confused, and I request Hindus also, do not be confused by my claims of being Lord Shiva, Dattatreya, Jesus Christ, Mahdi. Okay, kindly watch all the videos serial wise. What I want to say is that I am a true Muslim, means true Brahman, the one who worships the Nirguna Brahma. Nirguna Brahma means whose symbol is Om, who is called as Elohim, who is called as Allah also. Allah is his name. So I worship him. So I am a Muslim. If you translate the word Muslim into old language of Hinduism, it means Brahman. Okay. So the Hindus are actually the Muslims of old era. Means in that old era, the language, they are called as Brahmans. Okay. So they are the people of Prophet Noah alayhi salam. So they also have the prophecies of my arrival, but in their own language, and that language is converted into pictorial language, picture language. So in that, it is also mentioned that I will be having 9 important wives, and their colors and their characters are also mentioned. The same thing is also mentioned in the Old Testament Bible. Israel and Jerusalem is given the example of different characters comparing to a woman. Okay. So those prophecies, mashallah, came true, but in Arabic language. Did you understand? So after Nuh alayhi salam, many prophets came and they foretold about my coming in different languages. That's why among Hinduism, it is clearly mentioned that I will be having 9 different wives who will be first, they are having their first negative characters, then they will at last surrender to me and become positive. So those names are also mentioned as Nava Durga, 9 types of Durga. So they came true, but in Arabic language. So we, all of us, actually worship Allah alone in Arabic language, and we don't allow anybody to worship our images. Okay. So those 9 names I want to tell you, but in Arabic language. So all my wives' names are Najam Fatima, the avatar of Sati. Another is Gayatri, who was renamed as Aisha by me. And third wife, Sajida, who is actually Brahmacharini, which means the worshipper of Allah, one who prostrates. Then Sumrana, which means Ganga, actually Ganga, who gave birth to my son Iskanda. Iskanda means spilled out. So he was spilled out from the mother's womb in my car in 2009 January 2009 29th January morning around 7 a.m. Okay. Then Durga, who is actually Tehseen, my wife, goddess, the Mahakali. Then Mahakali. Before her, the Durga is also called as Mahagauri. So her name is Tehseen. Tehseen means decoration. Decoration will be done to her. So the Durga will be decorated. It means. So these are the attributable names. Then another wife came as Shab Ana means the thing of the night, means Kali, means black. So she is also called as Nyx among Greece people. Then another wife entered as Chandraghanta. Her name is Samina Fatima. And another wife came Siddiqa Fatima as Kanya Kumari. And Aisha, she got married on the phone from Pakistan, but didn't come in contact up till now. Another wife, Christina Kania, who was renamed as Asia Elahi, she is from Budapest. So so these are all the attributes of my wives mentioned among Hinduism. Okay, but the children bearing wives are Mahakali, who bore me the son Batuk avatar, that is, it means small Shiva. Then Durga, who gave me, mashallah, 3 daughters and 4 sons. By the grace of Allah, it all happened. And Ganga, the Sumrana, she bore me 3 daughters and 1 son, Iskanda. And first wife, Najam Fatima, the avatar Sati, she gave birth to the goddess Saraswati. Goddess means superhuman deity. God means superhuman deity. It doesn't mean Allah. Okay, Allah is invisible, Lord of the universe. So all these prophecies came to, mashallah, in my life, but in Arabic language. We never worship any images, we worship only Allah. Did you understand? ऐ मुसलमान भाइयों, आप लोग कंफ्यूज ना हो। नूह अलैहिस्सलाम की कौम जो कि एक ज़माने की मुसलमान है, उस ज़माने में संस्कृत ज़बान में हमारे आने की बशारत थी कि मेहदी अलैहिस्सलाम आएंगे। उसमें मेहदी अलैहिस्सलाम को लॉर्ड शिवा कहा गया, और मेरे बीवियों का जिक्र भी उनके पास मौजूद है, और वो 9 बीवियों का जिक्र मौजूद है। आप लिस्ट नीचे पढ़ लीजिए कि अलग अलग उनके अक़साम हैं मौजूद लिखे हुए, और इसका जिक्र जो है ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट बाइबल में भी मौजूद है। इसके अलावा 2 ऐसी बहनों का जिक्र मौजूद है जो फर्स्ट प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स टाइप उनके बिहेवियर रहेगा, तो वो भी रीइंकार्नेट हुए हैं मेरी लाइफ में, क्रिस्टीना कानिया और उनकी बहन एंड्री की शक्ल में, जो बुदापेस्ट में थे। The 2 more women are mentioned in the Bible who are the prostitutes, actually considered as the prostitutes, but they are again reincarnated in this era as Christina Kania and the Andre, but Christina Kania have already repented and became clean now, and her sister is still there. So these are all the prophecies coming true. ये सारी पेशगोइयाँ पूरी हुई हैं। तो जब तक कि कोई मैं ईसा मसीह मेहदी अलैहिस्सलाम साबित ही नहीं होता, जब तक कि निशानात साबित नहीं हो जाए। लिहाजा इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं अल्लाह ताला की इबादत को छोड़ के किसी और की कर रहा हूँ। तो वो सारे नाम जो संस्कृत में दिए गए थे नूह अलैहिस्सलाम की कौम में, वो अरबी में पूरे हुए हैं माशाल्लाह। तो हिंदुइज़्म में, हिंदू जो लोग हैं हिंदुइज़्म में, ये लोग उस ज़माने के मुसलमान हैं जिसके माने ब्राह्मण के होते हैं। उस ज़माने में निर्गुणा ब्रह्मा यानी अल्लाह को जो नज़र नहीं आने वाला मालिक है उसको कहते हैं। उसका इनके पास निशान ओम है, लिहाजा वो सारे निशान अब पूरे हुए हैं। मेरे बीवियों का जिक्र बाइबल में भी आया है, हिंदुओं के पास भी आया है, और इसके अलावा ग्रीस में भी आया। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस द वाइफ्स प्रोफेसीज हैव कम इन द ग्रीस ऑल्सो एंड इजिप्ट ऑल्सो अबाउट मी। सो ऑल द प्रोफेसीज केम टू बट इन अरबिक लैंग्वेज। काइंडली रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शंस गिवन बिलो। आप डिस्क्रिप्शंस नीचे पढ़िए जो दिए गए हैं। Allahu Akbar. Today is 24th November 2015, now around 8 p.m.